I know at this point of time, every NEET aspirant is worried about this NEET 2026 examination. Some people are saying, sir, I'm not able to push my scores. I'm getting low scores again and again. Okay. I was supposed to get 650 by now, but still I'm able to get, we say 200. I'm able to get 150. I'm able to get 250 marks out of 720. And this is November right now. Only you have got November, December, January, Feb, March, and April. You have got 6 months left. Sir, can I change the entire game in these next 6 months? Is it possible for me? Okay. If yes, can you give me some of the examples who have done it before? Okay. And my dear friends, when it comes to the April, I would say I can give you the examples. There were students who were able to score 650, and in the November, they were getting only 200 marks. Okay. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about the most practical way by which you can score maximum. It is not only you are studying for 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours. That is okay. But there are two more things that you need to add to your study cycle. That is going to push you. That is going to help you in scoring the maximum. And in this particular video, I'll be telling you, I'll be giving you a jackpot, which is going to help you to push your limits, which is going to help you to score maximum. That is for sure. That's why this is going to be the most practical way by which you can enter the medical college in the upcoming time. And I know some students came to me yesterday, sir, I'm having parental pressure. I'm having anxiety issues. Time is running with the speed of light. Okay. I am having pressure from my relatives. They are looking for, like, I'll have to be the doctor in the upcoming time. Okay. I have no other, we say, way. Okay. So don't have to worry about anything. Just follow whatever I say. Okay. My dear friends, when it comes to the 75% of aspirants, NEET aspirants, I would say out of 100%, if there are 100% students, okay, who are appearing for NEET 2026, we say 75% students have, we say, rigorous study cycle. What is that? That is the study cycle. They are studying for 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours. So we say 75% students have. And sir, can this help me to land into a medical college? This is going to help you, but not only this. You must have this effective revision plan. You must have this master at, you must be master at analysis. And I must say, only 25% of aspirants have this, we say, effective revision plan. And only 15, I would say 10 to 15% are good or master at analysis. So what is this? Rigorous study cycle that you are already in. Okay, like you are studying for 10, 12 hours, that is okay. But when it comes to the effective revision plan, whatever you study for the entire day, you'll have to revise that. Keep that thing in your mind. And master at analysis, if you are not able to solve a question, what most of the students, what 75% of the students do, they leave the question. They move forward. Okay. Even if that question is important, you don't have to leave that. You have to figure out, you have to check, why couldn't you solve that particular question? That is important. That is what we call the master at analysis. You have to do the analysis, proper analysis. Why? What are your weak areas? What are your strong areas? Why couldn't you solve a question from this particular topic? So you'll have to figure that out. Then only you'll be mastering at analysis. Then only you can land into the medical college. Okay, when you have all the 3 steps over here, then my dear friends, when it comes to the rigorous study cycle, so make this day 1, okay, start from today itself in this rigorous study cycle. What you guys must have, we say lectures, okay, and at this point of time, you are supposed to learn, I would say, from the marathons that are going on in the game of NEET 3.0. Sir, why marathons? Why not the detailed lectures like lecture 1, lecture? Because we have only 6 months left. Okay, you'll have to do the revisions afterwards also. Oh, it's not like, so see, if you were having, we say 9, 10, 11, 12 months, then I would have suggested you to basically watch the detailed lectures 1, 2, 3, 4, as many as they were. But at this point of time, I'm suggesting you to go with the marathons. That is game of NEET 3.0. And my dear friends, today we have basically started the game of NEET 3.0. Tomorrow, my session will be there. I'll be starting from the 11th portion, basic maths and vectors. Okay. Tomorrow, November 2nd. Okay. I'm recording this video tonight, means tomorrow. And this video will be public by 2nd November at 10 a.m. Okay. So means today evening, at 5 p.m. Okay, my dear friends, 2nd November, 5 p.m. I'll be taking this particular session. Means today evening, because it is 2nd November today. Now, my dear friends, so I would want you guys to join this particular session. Okay, so don't miss out this session because we'll be studying each and every single thing, whatever you have in these two chapters in basic maths and factors. Okay, 2nd November, 5 p.m. I would want you guys to, and do smash this like button over here. This is very much mandatory. Okay. So this is lectures. And apart from that, you guys are supposed to go with the self notes. You'll have to make the self notes. Whatever we teach in these lectures, in these marathons, you'll have to go with the self. You'll have to make the self notes. And once you do that, you'll have to go do the NCERT mastery for biology and organic chemistry. That is very much mandatory. Okay. Okay. And question practice as well. NCERT questions, previous year questions. And if you have time left, you can go with the external questions also. Okay. Okay. So this is what you must have in a regular study cycle. Then effective revision plan. How you guys are supposed to do the revisions? Let's suppose you completed the chapter with me, basic mathematics and vectors. You'll have to do the revision of this afterwards. Whatever, like I studied, I finished the session in 12 hours. So tomorrow morning, you are supposed to revise the entire chapter. That is how you guys are supposed to. First, you'll have to go with the unit wise, or we say chapter wise. And once we finish like 11th part 1, then you'll have to do the comprehensive revision, like full syllabus revision, I would say, for the part 1. And it must be target based. It must be the target based revision. Like you have to set the target. I'll have to finish these chapters in one day. You'll have to finish these chapters in one day, that day. It must be, because when you set a target in your mind, then your mind is basically forced to complete that work. So that's why we say target-based revisions are very important. Okay, so allocate the time in advance. Okay, and number of questions you guys are supposed to mention. How many number of questions you guys are supposed to solve while revising each and every single thing. And analysis after every reading, test and revisions. Okay, keep that thing in your mind. So my dear friends, make sure you follow this particular plan and make sure you join Game of NEET 3.0 with us. Okay, because that is going to help you. That is going to push you. That is going to help you and that is going to push you. Okay. And 3 important things. We say identify the weak areas. And you'll get, once you learn with us in Game of NEET 3.0, you'll find that what are your weak areas. How can you solve the questions from those weak areas? Everything will be solved. That is for sure. And push your limits as much as possible, because we have got only 6 months left, and that is going to build confidence. That is all for today. So thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow in this particular session. Okay, in this particular session tomorrow, as in I'm recording this video like on 1st November. Okay, at 8 p.m. What is the time right now? It is 8 approximately 8 7:43. So means I'm posting it on 2nd November 10 a.m. So I'll be seeing you 2nd November 5 p.m. Okay, so take care and bye bye. See you guys in the session. Thank you so much.